everyone. Welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. Hope you guys are ready to play today. So today, whenever we see a plus sign, that's going to mean the words move forward. Which if I was in my front yard, remember backyard, front yard. If I was in my front yard, that means I got to go forward. If I saw a plus sign, that means go forward. I can even be in my backyard, and that would mean go forward. It means go forward. Go this direction. La 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 la. Means move forward this direction. But if you see a minus sign, that means turn around. It means turn your body around and go however many spaces the other direction. It means turn around and go forward that direction. Okay? So a plus sign means move forward. But a minus sign means turn around. Let's practice that. Let's see what I mean, because that's kind of confusing. Let's get this marker right here. And let's do 2 plus 2. Okay? 2 plus 2, I don't know if you can see that, 2 plus 2 would mean I would start from my house, and I'd go 2 spots to where I'm starting at the number 2. I'm on the sidewalk, and I'm on the 2 spot. The plus means move forward. How many places am I moving forward? Well, this says 2 places, so I'm going to go 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is, where am I at? I'm at the 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. That's pretty easy. Let's do another one. Let's do 1 plus 4. Well, what's 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 means I start at the 1, which means I leave my house, and I go to the first sidewalk square outside of my house, which is the first one. That's where I start. Then I'm going to move forward. See that plus sign? Let's circle our sign. Let's circle our sign right now, because you should always circle your sign so that you know what you're supposed to do. That plus sign means move forward. So we're going to move forward. How many places? 4. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, move forward, 4 spots equals 5. Because I ended up at the 5th sidewalk square. So I'm at 5. That's where I'm at. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's start at that 5, because that's a good place to start, I think. And let's do 5. Turn around. Now we're going to, I know I'm using a lot of colors right now, but that's okay. We've got to circle our sign so that we know what we're doing. 5, turn around, and let's go back 3 spaces. And what's that going to equal? Well, we're starting at the 5th space right here at number 5. Okay, we're going to start at the 5th spot. Now this says to turn around. So we're going to turn around. And then we need to move 3 spots. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 5, turn around and go 3 spots will put you at the 2nd spot. That'll put you at the number 2. Hello, everybody. There you are. You're at the number 2. All right, let's do another one. What if I was at the number 2? Okay, let's say I'm at the number 2. Now remember, I'm facing this way this time because I want to move forward. You always want to try to move forward. So I'm going to be facing this direction. Hello, this direction, because I always want to face this way. Okay, so I'm at the 2. Hello. And let's say that I say turn around. And I want to turn around, and I want to go, let's say, 4 spaces. What's that going to equal? Well, let's see. I'm at the 2, and I turn around, and I go 4 spaces. Remember, my house counts as a space. Okay? 0 counts as a space. So here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, where did that put us? That put us, are you ready? In my backyard. That put us in the backyard. And that put us at at space number 2 in the backyard. Remember, if the little negative sign is at the top of a number, that means you're in the backyard. And that's where I'm at. I'm in the backyard. Okay? Remember, if it's the minus sign, it means turn around. If it's up here, this little negative spot, it means I'm in the backyard. Okay? So I ended up in my backyard at the second sidewalk square, and I can play with Strawberry now. Remember my pet Strawberry? Hey, Strawberry. Let's come play, buddy. Hi, honey. Yay. Strawberry loves to play with me. Okay, let's try again, okay? Let's do another one. What if I was in my backyard, and let's say I was at this 2 spot, which I am at right now. Remember, I'm still right here. Now, I always want to face this way in the beginning. I always want to face this direction in the beginning. So we're going to start off right. We are at backyard, spot number 2. Let's move forward. Circle it. Move forward. And let's go forward. How many spots today? Let's go forward 6 spots. Let's see where that's going to put us. So I'm in the backyard. At my number 2 spot, I'm going to go forward 6 spots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That put me in the front yard. And I'm on the 4th sidewalk square now. Do you see that? I started off in the backyard. Then I went forward 6 squares. And that put me in my front yard. I went all the way through my house. And I came into the front yard. And now I'm on the 4th sidewalk square. Sorry, Strawberry. Can't play with you right now, honey, because you're in the backyard, in the fenced backyard. But I can play with my friend next door. Hi. Hi. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's do another one. So let's say I am... Let's put me at the 3 this time. I don't know why I'm starting at the 3, but I'm going to start at the 3, okay? And I'm going to say I want to turn around. Got to circle our sign so we know what we're doing. I want to turn around, and I want to go... Should we go 7 spots? Let's go 7 spots this time. Where would that put me? Well, I'm at the 3, and I'm facing forward. I want to turn around, and I want to go 7 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did that put me? I am now in my backyard at spot number 4. I am 4 spots into my backyard. Here I am. Hi, Strawberry. I can play with you again. Yay! Strawberry's going crazy. Strawberry's going crazy. Because I'm in my backyard with Strawberry at sidewalk square number 4. That's where I'm at. Okay, let's start at sidewalk square number 4 because that sounds like a good spot. Sidewalk square, my backyard number 4. Backyard number 4. Backyard number 4. And let's go forward. Let's move forward. That's the plus sign. Let's move forward. How many spots today? Let's go 5 spots. Oh, that was the worst 5 I've ever drawn. I'm drawing kind of sideways. Sorry, everybody. I've been doing really good for drawing sideways this far. So I'm at the number 4 spot. And remember, I always want to face this way. So now I want to go 5 spots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did that put me? That put me at the number 1 spot in my front yard. I'm not in the backyard anymore, so I don't need that little backyard fence sign. I'm in my front yard. Number 1. Good job, everybody. Oh, not a good job. We did not circle our sign. You always got to circle your sign so that you know what you're doing. You're either moving forward, which is the plus sign. It means to move forward, to move this direction. Always this direction. You always want to move towards your right hand. You always want to go forward. But if you see a minus sign, it means turn around. Turn around. Go back the other way. Blop, 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 blop. Okay? Now you can have, one last thing, you can be in your backyard. let's say that I was at spot number 2 in my backyard. That would put me right here in the backyard at square number 2. Okay, you can turn around and go, let's go 2 squares. Okay, if I was in my backyard, remember I always want to face towards my right hand. Okay, I always want to move forward towards my right hand. But this tells me to turn around. So I'm in the backyard, I'm going to turn around, and this says to go 2 spots. So we started off in the backyard, we turned around, and now we're going to go 2 spots. 1, 2. That is going to put us again, hang on, let me get my other pen. That again is going to put us in the backyard, but now we're at backyard square number 4. Okay? So I was in my backyard, going this direction, but this said to turn around, so I did. I went 2 spots, 1, 2, and that put me at the 4 square in my backyard. Okay? Did you get all that, everyone? I hope you did. Thank you so much for playing with us, and we'll try to play again tomorrow, okay? Bye. We're Salmon and Cod Playtime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.